5. Hey, guess what? We're out at the distribution center and it is Science Central right now. 6, 7, 8. Did you know in the summertime, every science kit, grades K through 5, gets reassembled, put back together with all the materials that may have been missing or damaged throughout the year? 12, 13. I think I messed up the count.
Start over.
They have to be counted exactly. 1, 2, 3. You want to meet the people who do all this work? Let's check it out.
Science.
So MediaTek at Ardenwald, how did you get roped into being in the warehouse during the summertime?
My first year as a MediaTek, they had a person who couldn't do the job. They asked me to come in and help with science and bringing in the Fontes and Pinnell curriculum. I've been here ever since. I think this is the beginning of my 9th or 10th.
9th or 10th year, and
summer.
you spend your summertime in here. Obviously, you get paid for doing
Yes.
that, but it's a little different than having kids in the library, I would think, during the school day.
It is. It's a different type of stress.
Yeah.
It really is. I work with a great crew. They're a lot of fun. And I'm going to meet this stuff back in the building in September, so at least I know what I've got. Every one of the science kits comes in from the summer. Rachel checks them in and tells us how to refill every one of these kits. Each box has a section, and in that section we go through and make sure everything's clean, working condition, and restocked.
So when these kits come back, they come back from teachers. Now here's an example of what they should come back looking like. All the bottles are clean, they're all assembled, they're all in one bag. Unfortunately, this is the way one of them came back. Now, we're not going to call out any teacher, but left the labels on. So there's sticky tape, there's goo inside each of the bottles. So now what happens?
Well, we're going to peel all those off, and then
Oh.
we'll wash every bottle, every cap, and we'll get them dried out and back into a kit for redistribution for next year.
This is going to take a while to get all these labels off. I can't get the tape off.
Have Goo Gone.
Yeah, you need some
I use Goo
Goo
Gone.
Gone.
Yep.
Need a dishwasher. It's a lot of work. I'm glad that your kids could all read what was in the beakers, but clean them off.
We do count marbles. We count rubber bands. We count cotton balls, popsicle sticks by the hundreds, straws, feathers. Yep, we count it all.
No feathers this year. They're
Oh,
gone.
good. I do count marbles.
How many are in?
24. 24 marbles.
Thank you for your service.
I'm a para 2, so I worked with 3 through 5th.
And how did you end up here in the warehouse?
Danelle invited me to work in the warehouse.
Danelle invited you. Are you happy you accepted that invitation?
Yeah, this is my 2nd year at the warehouse, so.
All right.
I am a resource para. I work in the
Oh,
resource
awesome.
room. I actually volunteered to bring in Fontes and Pinnell, and they decided that I was working hard enough that I should get paid for it.
See.
And then every year since, I've been coming in.
This is box 3 of a Mixture of Solutions kit. We take everything out of it, and we start counting everything. This box has evaporation trays. I need 4 of them. This set asks for 50 of these without holes, so every one of them has to be checked from the bottom to make sure there's no holes, and counted. And I do that for all 50 of them, and so does she.
What you get to do? Looking at the bottom of cups and counting holes.
She blinded me with science.
All the boxes that need
I
to
can
get
see all the
done.
boxes better with these on.
It is so satisfying.
Oh, I bet. So
my
when it's
God.
all done, floor to ceiling will be green tags. Wow. Where do you work during the school year?
Ardenwald.
Ardenwald, and what part? Where do you do it, Ardenwald?
I'm a para, but I'm all over the building.
All over the building as a
Yes.
para-educator.
Yes.
How did you get roped into being into the warehouse in the summertime?
I was invited by Danelle, and I love it. It's my physical time of year, where the rest of the time, I mean, we're physical, we're moving around and
Yeah.
everything, we're chasing kids or loving on kids. But this, you're actually lifting, you're doing things, it's totally different, and it's a different vibe, and it's very relaxing. We have a lot of fun with it. This is just adult time.
You guys throw a wicked party.
Yes, we do. We have lots of fun.
A science party. So it's time to start the next investigation. They're going through all these boxes. These are Earth and Sun. So I got the list here, Brian. Let's see. They're going to need 16 compasses, 20 golf tees, 25 super jumbo straws, a ball of string, some zip bags. Oh, 36 binder clips. Make sure you guys get all those 36 binder clips. They're on it back there. They're laughing at me. But you can see everything that goes on here at the warehouse in the summertime. Along with ace videographer Brian McGrew, I'm Curtis Long, blinding you with science as we look through what's going on in the summer here in NCSD.